channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well because today we'll be talking about Crypto Treasure's new update on their app. For those of you who might be hearing this app for the first time, this is an app where you get to collect Phoneum tokens and other cryptocurrencies by completing tasks and playing games. I've created a video about Crypto Treasures. Please check it out. I placed a link on the description box below, or you may choose to play it right after this video. Phoneum just released a new update for Crypto Treasures, and I must say that they did a huge reconstruction on the app. I was surprised that there are a lot of adjustments and new features in this new update. Let's check them out one by one. The first thing I noticed when I opened the app was its new look. It will be asking you to agree to the terms and conditions first to be able to enter the app. Before the update, you can only see here this shop in the middle, this wooden chest, and this blockchain chest. Below was just the arrows for rock, paper, scissors, spinning wheel, and the cryptos. Now they've added Game Pass. Let's see. Each time a chest will be opened, a Game Pass barrel will be collected. The more barrels you earn, the more rewards you can claim. This bar here will show you how many barrels you have collected for each level, and this number here indicates the level you're at. Each time you complete 10 barrels, you unlock a reward. And as you level up, the reward goes up as well. These rewards here on the right are additional rewards when you own a premium pass. You can own this by spending money. Complete all 20 levels before the season ends for bigger rewards. They also added a new feature here, which is the dice. You can play the dice 6 times in every 20 hours. Just roll the dice 3 times and collect your rewards. The good thing is that win or lose, you get a reward. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. As you can see, they've reduced the number of times you can play from 9 to 3, but the rewards are now bigger than before, so that's okay for me. On the spinning wheel, the number of spins are reduced from 40 spins to 5 spins, but I'm not upset about the huge adjustment because the rewards are amazingly increased, especially when you like to double your prizes. The shovel is still available to play and the reward is also increased. Another new feature that I noticed is this Earn tab here. You will be able to earn 50 gold coins for each ad you watch. You can also earn more on this offer wall. When you click it, you will be redirected to another website where you can complete small tasks. These two options here are not new, but I'm guessing that since they were not easily noticed before, they made a way for users to easily access them. They've also updated this Quest tab. Aside from its new look, they've also added a lot of quests here to complete. According to them, they've added 60 quests and a lot more to come soon. This is a good thing for me because the more quests I can complete, the more rewards I can collect. They also gave a new look to the profile picture here. And on this new version, the highest level your account can reach is now 60. On the shop, you can see here that they've added new profiles that you can buy using your gold coins. The chests are still the same price. The wallets are also cleaned up. And Phoneum added their new token, Phoneum Green. It's this token that has the green leaf on it. You can collect it in chests, completing quests, and collecting all 10 different patch badges to claim the rewards. And there you have it, a new and fresh look for crypto treasures. What I've been loving so much about crypto treasures is that win or lose, you get a reward. So far, I did not experience any latency while playing the game with this new version. Everything works fine, and if you're experiencing any issues in this new update, you just have to open a ticket with their support team at support@phonium.io. Just send them a video clip of the issue for a faster response. If there's just one thing I don't like about the update is that there are too many adverts now. It's like every time you do something, there's an ad and it's quite annoying me. Well, that's just how it is. The rewards are increased anyway. That's it for today, my friends. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!